Welcome friends to this next video tutorial on AutoCAD electrical software. The next tab we are going to see is ortho mode tab, which is located here. The shortcut for ortho mode is F8. This is your ortho mode. Now it is disabled. Now let me enable it. You don't have any setting in ortho mode, just you can either enable or disable ortho mode. The use of ortho mode is, by using this ortho mode, I can draw lines which are exactly at 90° to each other. I can draw lines which are exactly at 90° to each other. Now let me show you an example. Now ortho mode is enabled. Let me select a line. You can see that now the line is at 0°. Next, now the line is at 270. Next, 180. Next, now the line is at 90°. Now you can see that I have drawn a perfect square by using ortho mode. Now you can see that all these lines are exactly at 90° to each other. This tool is very helpful in AutoCAD electrical for drawing accurate lines which are exactly at 90°. The other thing we are having is polar tracking, which will enable the user to draw lines at various angles. Here in ortho mode you can draw lines which are only 90° to each other, but in ortho mode you can draw lines at various defined angle by the user. Now ortho mode is disabled. Now let me select the same line and let me try to draw a perfect square. You can see that it is not giving any, or it is not locking the cursor to 90°. It is, now the user can move the cursor to any angle which is not 90°. Now you can see that since the ortho mode is not enabled, I cannot draw a perfect square. But if I now let me select the line and again enable ortho mode. Now you can see that I can draw line only at two angles, either at 0° or at 270°, which is perpendicular to each other. Now AutoCAD electrical is locking the cursor to 90°, which will enable the user to draw a perfect diagram or perfect lines which are at perpendicular to each other. This is the use of ortho mode in AutoCAD electrical. Thank you.